So I'm just out in the shed with my parents. Needed some shed time. So I've actually just taken the factory mounts out, and I am replacing them with these Cusco units. So as you can see, it's starting to sort of tear a bit, so I needed to replace. They're quite wobbly as well. These Cusco ones relatively cheap and quite a bit firmer apparently. So hopefully I won't get too much sort of rumble through the car, but just get the engine a bit more settled, be a lot stiffer. So yeah, just got the jack under there pushing pressure on the bottom of the engine so I can then undo them. You need to take the whole mount out, so I've got the whole mount out, and that one's quite fun because it's on the other side where there's a big turbo sitting there, so bit of sort of pushing and shoving to get it out, but it's easy now. So yeah, just swapping them over now. Quite cool there. Basically only one way you can put them. They've got these little stud things in them, and that lines up in that hole. Chuck that in there, and there you go. And then yeah, while I was here I had that axle out. It was leaking quite a bit, so that wheel was always oily and always stunk. So I had to look at the seal in it. So yeah, the seals were actually redone when I did the bearings in the diff and redid the diff itself, so it was a bit weird that it was leaking. So I ended up getting a socket that fitted the size of the seal in there, just tapping it in a bit. Wasn't quite all the way in it, so hopefully now it's actually further in and it actually seals up against the collar. What else have I done? Oh, I thought I needed new brake pads in the rear because they looked low from when you look from the outside, but it turns out there's actually plenty of meat. But I've actually got some genuine Toyota rear brake pads, so they go on a stash for a later date, which is cool. So yeah, let's get to putting this back together.